So I'm going to do the same a little bit on this end. And lace it back and forth. Pull it tight. And in order to do this knot, watch. Again, pull it through. Make a little bit of a loop like that. Pull it through and just go like that. And believe it or not, that'll hold. So there you see how to lace up. Doesn't sound like much now, but very soon it'll be dry. You go through, and like I said, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just snip it here where these high spots are. Snip it here, 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 and it'll not only look nice, but it'll work out perfect and be nice and flat. The other trick is to take, sometimes I take and I would wrap this whole rim, the whole edge with, flatten it down and wrap it with masking tape so that when it dries, all of these will dry flat. But it's already starting to have a little bit of a drum sound to it. And once it's completely dry, that'll be good. We're just going to take a minute to clean up these spots that are going to be, it's going to be kind of rough. So, as I said, we can take the heavy scissors and just kind of snip it like that. And it's going to take that area out. Being careful not to cut too much when we do it. And it's interesting because each drum's a little different, you know, it's got its own look and its own personality, but this will lay a lot better by snipping these little points like that. And like I said, this hide was on a little bit bigger of a frame, just a little bit. So it's setting, it's laying a little different on this one. But I like to have a nice smooth as I can get it, look and feel to the drums. We don't want to have a rough edge sticking out to scratch anybody, or, you know. And when it dries, it will pucker in, and it's a lot easier to snip this while it's wet than once it dries. Maybe we can cut them at a little bit of an angle like this on some of them. And we don't want to get too crazy or get too close to where it's laced. I'm going to take these really big ones. I'm wanting to take those ones out. So you get the idea of that. And I'm pretty confident this will dry pretty good. So we're going to snip our extras. Got that knot on there. I'm going to give it just a couple of more. Times around here. And this lacing is already getting stiff. You can see it. Really hot out today. Hot July day, gonna be 90 degrees today. And we're here in the morning. So you see how it goes. Now to help it be nice and flat, see it's still pliable when it's wet like that. What I like to do is to take some masking tape and just tape it down. And it makes a big difference in how it dries. Because however, if you shape it a certain way, it usually will hold that shape and stay flat as it dries, and it just gives it a nicer look. And it'll just get nice and dry, and we're not going to leave the masking tape on. We'll take it off once the drum has dried. So there it is.